Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of accessing the High Court of Kerala cause list online. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to navigate the court's official website and find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Visit the official website. Type in the official website of the High Court of Kerala in the address bar, www.hck.gov.in. Press enter to load the website. Step 3. Locate the cause list section. Once the website is open, look for the cause list option on the homepage. This is usually found in the main menu or under a specific section related to court services. Step 4. Select the type of cause list. Click on the cause list link. You will be presented with various options based on different types of cases, civil, criminal, etc. Select the type of cause list you wish to view. Step 5. Choose the date. After selecting the type of cause list, you will see a calendar or drop-down menu to choose the date for which you want to see the cause list. Click on the desired date to proceed. Step 6. View the cause list. Once you have selected the date, the cause list will generate on the screen. You can scroll through the list to find the relevant cases. The list typically includes case numbers, names of parties, and the judges assigned to each case. Step 7. Download or print. Optional. If you wish to keep a copy of the cause list, look for the download or print option available on the page. Click on it to save or print the document for your records. Following these steps will help you easily access the High Court of Kerala cause list online whenever you need it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides, and be sure to like this video if you found it useful.